guys, welcome back to the channel and we are continuing our ultimatemedium.com course part 18 of 30. Today we are going to be talking about which medium YouTubers should you keep an eye on for medium.com related advice. So my friends, I have chosen 3 YouTubers. Even though most of the time I watch one of the 3 YouTubers, my friends, that is enough for me. But I have given options to my audience. Of course, you can watch my YouTube channel for medium related advice, but if you need further advice from experts, then look no further than Julie Rain. First of all, she is a very successful writer, over 50,000 followers on Medium, and she talks about Medium only on her YouTube channel, on writing on Medium. That is what she talks about. So this is what you can expect uh, from her content. You can learn from her a lot of things about AI tools, how she's using AI tools or something, email list, everything you can learn from Julie Rain. Then the second one is Io the writer. He has, I think, over 80,000 followers on Medium and is a very successful YouTuber, over 5,000 subscribers, and he is more into giving you advice regarding writing, specifically. You see, watch me write an article from start to finish, and he gives you writing advice like building an audience, building your skills, and titles, journey. He's going to be talking about a lot of these things, and he is a very proven writer on Medium as well, and his YouTube channel is very decent. You can check him out. Our third and last one is Sinem Gunel, and she is, I think she also has over 50,000 followers on Medium, and she doesn't have that many subscribers on her YouTube because she doesn't focus that much on her YouTube. But still, she will talk about YouTube related content like how to fight writer block, and writing skills on Medium, comparing Medium to Substack, headlines, and she doesn't have that much content, to be honest with you. How to get followers, how to write 10,000 words every day, but she has got some sort of content on her YouTube channel, and you can see her advice. Also, my friends, the reason why I chose these 3 Medium YouTubers, is because the new Medium CEO, Tony Stubblebine, I think that's his name, Tony Stubblebine, the new CEO of Medium, decided to do live stream interview with Sinem Gunel, with Io the writer. You see, CEO Tony Stubblebine, Io the writer, he has done it with him, and also with Julie Rain as well. Medium new CEO Tony Stubblebine, he has done a live interview with him as well. So that is one of the biggest reason why I had to choose these 3 writers. If the Medium CEO thinks they are worthy, then of course they are also worthy for your time as well. Thanks for watching, my friends. Stay tuned, as part 19 is coming right up.